Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Kesuvina Pundi recipe, which is a most sorted cuisine in Mangalore and Udupi. Pundi is nothing but a term used for steamed rice balls, and Kesavu is nothing but taro leaf, arbi leaf, patra leaves, and it's also called as aloo chi bhaji or Colacasia leaves. These are of wide varieties. This is the one which is grown in my backyard. So I take just the leaves and then separate the stem. First, cut the leaves into tiny pieces. Begin with soaking the rice and green gram for 5 hours. And these are the list of ingredients. There are 2 lists. One to prepare rice balls, one is to prepare curry. You can pause the video and look into it. This is the leaf that I've cut. And stems, I would have to peel it and cut it separately. Unfortunately, I did not record it, so I'm sorry I could not show it, but you can skip using the stem if you don't want to. This is the first ingredient list that I did show was for the steamed rice ball, and this one is for the curry that needs to be made. And I have used medium-sized coconut. I've cut it into half and grated half of it. You can use the desiccated coconut if you do not have access to the fresh coconut like I do. Heat a pan and then dry roast all the ingredients. Do not dry roast all the ingredients together, but do it separately, one after the other, which will ensure that all the ingredients are dry roasted apt and it does not burn. If you've still not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Let them know about this channel and click on the bell notification so that you receive notification each time I upload a brand new video. This particular recipe is a little lengthy, I agree, but it is amazing. You can use this as a snack, or also you can use it at breakfast, because we normally consume this as a breakfast food. And we love it because this has a lot of nutrients in it. Right, it's almost roasted. So once the onion is roasted, do not roast it really well. Just make sure the moisture goes off. Add all the ingredients back again and roast it one last time before you go ahead and grind it into fine, smooth paste. You need to add some water for it to get into fine smooth paste. Do not add a lot of water in the beginning. Wait for it to grind once and then keep adding water. Once you get a required consistency, you will go ahead, or rather I have gone ahead and added the soaked rice and green gram and some salt to it. So this is the consistency that we want, or rather fine smooth paste, yes, but it has a lot of water that you can see. I'm going to first heat a tawa or a pan. This is an iron one. Add some oil to it so that it does not stick to the bottom of it. Add the batter that you just prepared. Make sure that it's a little thicker. It should be thicker than the idli batter that you have. It should be enough thickness, or rather consistency, for you to prepare a ball out of it. Now I'm going to add the taro leaf to it and mix it really well. Knead it well, alright? Right, I'm kneading it. Make sure you knead it well, because this is really crucial, because it's leaf and you do not want to leave any part of the batter or the dough without leaf in it. You can increase the amount of leaf as per your wish, and you can also increase the amount of chillies that I've used here depending on your spiciness level. I'm not going to make a very tiny ball, so I'm going to make a really medium-sized ball, or rather, it's not ball, it's kind of a oval shaped ball, I could say, because we would have to cut it later once it's steamed. I'll show it to you as the process completes. Okay, I'm going to place it one after the other. To talk about the health benefit of the taro root leaf, it is rich in fiber. It also helps in, or rather aids in controlling blood sugar and also reduce the risk of heart disease to an extent. And if you're somebody who wants to eat clean and eat healthy, this is one of the recipes for you. Alright, I'm done with it. I'm going to go ahead and steam it. If you really haven't seen this particular vessels anytime in the past, this is famous back in South India, where we normally steam all our rice balls in it. Steaming of each rice ball will take any time between 25 to 30 minutes. Once it is steamed well, I'm going to let it cool separately. Now let's get back to the curry recipe. I have chopped the onion and tomatoes. Add onion and tomatoes to a vessel where you want to prepare your curry. It should be a little bigger one because you have to add the pundi to it later. That is the taro root stem that you see. Add enough water for it to be covered and let it boil. Once it's properly boiled, remove it off the flame and dry roast all the ingredients that is set for the curry, just like you did for the one in steam rice ball. Okay. Coriander seed and jeera normally splutters. That's when I really stop it. That's fenugreek seed for you. Black gram or urad dal. It's a split black gram. So this needn't have to be the onion, the ginger, the garlic. It doesn't have to be roasted. Just make sure the moisture is in there when you go. That's when you remove it off the flame. Now add the coconut and the turmeric. This is gonna take some time for you because you have to ensure the moisture evaporates and there's no water in it. It has to be really dry. And then add all the ingredients back again to it. Mix it one last time. Turn off the gas and grind it into fine smooth paste. Once you grind it, add it to the water that was cooked, or rather the onion, tomato and a taro plant stem that was boiled then, and let it to cool. So you add the masala to that and mix it well and bring this to boil. So while you're bringing this to boil, make sure you stir it occasionally, because there are high possibility it might stick to the pan at the bottom, the stem I'm talking about. You can add the water as per your consistency that you need. Don't make it really, really watery, but don't make it too thick either. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to now cut the pundi that I did make. Okay, I'm gonna cut all of it. This is how it looks. Doesn't it look nice? It's soft and tastes delicious for sure. Now you add some black pepper powder and then add the pundi to it. Mix it well and let it cook. Check the salt and see if you have to add some salt to it. And if you do want to add some salt, please do add it, because it cannot be, it should be a little, so when you taste it, it should be a little more saltier than normal, because the steamed rice ball has the tendency of sucking in the salt. Garnish it with curry leaf and mix it one more time and let it boil now. Yep, it's done. So I'm going to turn off the flame, keep it to pressure cook by itself. Our Kesuvina Pundi is ready. I am going to dive into it. I hope you loved it. Let me know on the comment below. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Have a good day.